this coin song called You Are the Traffic. It's pretty romantic. B, D, A, G. And they're kind of doing some heavy muting at times. I like to use a pick when I do the muting. So I'm just got my palm over the bridge. I'm laying it right on the string. The more you raise up your hand, the less muting you'll get. B, D, A, G, F sharp. Back to B. Towards the end, there's a bridge, and the bridge is a little different. It starts on D. Goes to C sharp, F sharp, G. And we go back to the D. And this time we can climb up towards the G. E, F sharp. Okay, but these are both just like chromatically climbing up down to the G, downwards. C at the 5, or I'm sorry, D at the 5. C sharp at 4. F sharp at 2. G at 3. Then we go back to the D and start over. 5, 7, 9, 10. Because we're playing all power chords, we don't need to worry about what's minor or major. Okay? There's no minor notes in that rhythm guitar part. That's it. It's a good beginner song to learn how to use power chords and muting. All right, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.